my auntie and I, we
your cousin.
and then we got scammed.
Yeah.
We got kicked out of the game, right?
Yeah, we kicked out of the game, and we need
Alicia,
to
can I
restart.
enter your
Okay.
ID?
Let me go. You better guys you better speed up.
Alicia, I need your ID.
Okay, sure. I better go to my ID and then
Host.
Okay, I'm gonna eat that.
go to your ID, Alia.
I'm right here.
Oh, it's different ID.
Every time it keeps changing. That's the thing. Okay, guys. So here's the thing. Well, we are playing Avatar World. We're gonna actually explore the whole entire world, just not do a story, right?
Yeah.
Because it would be a waste of time.
Okay, I'm gonna join Alicia's world. Okay, 6.
I'm not joining.
Let me help you.
I need to copy yours. Join.
Okay.
Where's
Where do we
you?
go, Alicia?
Okay, first of all, let's go ahead and go into.
Can you go to this?
Let's go to the city. Since
City.
I need to go.
hey guys, I actually go. Let's go to the spa. Let's go to the spa. It's right there.
Okay.
And
Oh my
then
gosh.
we are going to go there.
Alia, wait for Alia. Hold on.
So I'm not at the spot. Oh my gosh, I can see.
We're at the spa.
I can see you guys.
Oh no! Why am I always jam?
No, I'm ready.
Okay,
I can
this is.
see you.
Oh my god! Where is my jacket? Where is my jacket?
Oh my gosh, I can see
Oh,
you
we're
guys.
all here.
Oh my gosh.
It's okay. I don't care if I don't even wear my jacket.
It's okay. Yeah.
Okay, so what should we do? Look at this lady. We have all these face masks. Actually, we already got the thing, and actually, they will do. If you want to do massage, we don't know because there might be a massage, but that come up very late.
Oh wait, I want to see what this guy has to say.
Wait, let me go ahead and take my jacket first.
I'm just gonna brush my hair.
Are you sure this is okay? Because I don't really think that this is fine. Where am I at? So a lot of you guys asked me to do is finding myself.
Oh, there's Alicia.
Yeah, but let me go take my jacket. My jacket is.
I don't know where Alia is at.
You don't see anything.
Where am I supposed to go, guys? Oh, there's Alia.
Wait, let me go ahead and.
I'm relaxing.
Okay, wait. Can I relax? Alia, how do I do that?
You need to get this. Get this. Look, I'm gonna put on you.
We're gonna go there.
Wait, I need you to please get this. I'm ready.
Already, guys.
Okay, now
You
need.
guys better like.
Hey, stop moving.
Okay, sorry.
So I'm gonna put on you.
Oh, thank you so much.
Wait. Where is it? Okay, there. it is.
Okay, where do I wear the thing? Where do I get the mask, Alia?
Huh?
It's right here. It's on
Come on
Auntie
then.
Alia's. Here you
Go
go.
to the spa.
Here you
Can we go
go.
here, Alia?
Yeah.
Go to the spa.
And then this one you need to wear this hat. Wear this hat. And then you wear yeah.
Oh my god, I took off my cat ears.
Aidan, you are not
No.
updated yet. You have to update first.
Yeah, I can see where. Okay. I'm trying to update just now.
Oh no, so kesian. I don't know why you cannot.
I feel like Aiden, you got scammed. Okay.
Oh no.
Here you go.
Okay.
No, there.
Alia, we're doing
We're at the
skincare.
spa. We are at the spa.
Actually, okay, here are my other aunties and my cousins. They are.
Invite.
So basically,
I'm the pink hair, Alia's the purple hair, Alicia's the blonde hair.
You're the what?
We
I'm the
invite.
pink
We
hair,
invite.
she's the purple hair, Alicia's the blonde.
Oh my god.
no blue lah.
Avatar.
Guys,
Avatar.
guys.
It's
Guys,
Avatar.
guys.
Avatar.
Okay. Here's your cream. Here's your cream.
And then we can visit.
Here's your cream. It's on your hand.
Yeah, it's Avatar.
Wait.
You better to put on your face.
Wow, Alicia macam mana?
That's it. That's how you do it.
Where is it, guys?
Alright.
Where's the spa? Ni. Wait.
Not sure where you are. I'm right
Ya
here. I
Allah,
only can.
Tuhan.
Okay, I only
Ya
can.
Allah.
Okay.
Spa. Hey.
The spa you have to
No,
go.
Aidan nak pergi spa. Kesian Aidan.
Oh, Aiden is also playing this. Was it
Right.
called Aiden?
Aiden got scammed.
Dia tak boleh update to the multiplayer game. Kesian dia. Okay, wait.
It's okay. Then he got scammed.
See? Where's I wanna
Where
know.
can
Alright,
you visit
guys.
each other?
I'm here with my whole entire family, especially with my 2
Because
aunties
now-
and my 1 cousin and my 1 younger brother.
And this one, so now I have 3.
So
and then
basi-
if
guys-
they're air, I'm going to spot them.
What?
And then
What's
we
going
need to
on?
wait, and then
Why does it keeps like? Oh no! Why you're bringing me around, Alia? Why you bringing? You're literally. Okay, can you bring her?
Oh, you
Can you
can
bring
move
her?
each
Wait,
other. I
wait.
don't
I want to actually. Wait, I'm bringing you around.
Hey, don't. Oh, okay.
Eh, no, later Auntie Alia pening.
Okay.
What's this?
Oh yeah, a car. I'm gonna steal it.
Oh my gosh,
Look at this. I found a car.
Who's cut? Me too.
But I need something. I need something.
I found a card too.
What's that?
Oh yeah, this is the information
I
of
need
where
this.
you can take your mask.
Okay, you. Where are you, Aiden?
Okay, now I don't know where am I at because I just literally get out of the spa.
What is that?
So I'm just gonna go.
Your character.
Why you get out the spa? I'm
Why you
still
get
there.
I'm gonna do actually
What's it? Alia, what's it called? Apple?
Avatar.
Apple Tower?
Avatar World.
Ever Tower.
Guys, so we're just gonna do many noises.
Mega Marker.
So guys, so this video will be like we're gonna do lots of noises while we are playing this game.
Okay, yeah.
I have no idea what am I doing because we have nothing to do, especially.
I don't know whatever you
Okay,
do.
that's just cream.
Yeah, that's
Guys, please, I look at my character.
I already pay for the.
Is it you?
Okay, guys, I already pay for the
Why
skincare.
you don't wear glasses?
So what we're gonna do is just wait for like 1 minute. Okay, we have 1 more minute left so that our skin looks shiny.
Okay, first,
I have no idea because we have this lady here. I was like this. Oh, okay, I'll be like this. Hi. Oh hey, what's up
Is
with
that
you?
Aiden?
I wanna actually find you. Where can I change my clothes?
number 1.
Oh yeah, maybe you can actually change your clothes somewhere. There might be a dressing
Number
room.
2.
Okay, thank you. Alright.
Jual what the baby said.
We better take our clothes.
Gasha, can you just look at me what I'm doing?
Okay, we're done, Ale. We're done.
I'm not done yet.
Alia, where are you?
I'm right here. I'm doing the secrets.
Okay, we're gonna go to the sink and wash our face. We're gonna wash our face.
Mana Alisha? Mana nak?
Okay, Auntie want to eat
Kat
something,
sink kan?
okay?
I'm doing
Kat
the
sink ke?
secret.
Oh my god. Alia, what does Aris want to
This
watch?
game is
It's
so
called
fryer,
Bona.
Alia.
Bona.
Auntie,
Garno.
this game is so
Ghana?
fryer.
What is that?
It's
does that mean?
Skunkies.
That means this game is so good.
Yeah.
So
Fire.
Garno?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
You
pretty
need to go to
fire.
Skunkies.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put back since I'm done. And I don't know how do I remove my makeup.
Play the game. That's
Garno?
How do I remove
Garno.
this?
Okay.
Oh yeah, I can like this.
Hello. What's that? Where's that? Where's that?
Alia, you gotta change your clothes. It's done.
Okay then.
Kesian
Where
Aiden.
I need to
Aiden,
get this?
tak boleh tu lah. Tak boleh apa?
Where I need to
Tak
get?
boleh.
I feel like you got
Stop
scammed.
moving me.
Where's the thing?
Tak boleh masuk.
Where's the thing, Alia? Auntie,
I'm right here.
Alia, Alia.
What?
Tu.
What? Stop moving.
Guys, I'm done. Look, I'm done. My skincare's done.
Alisha, macam mana
Where's
auntie
my
nak
cat
remove the
ears?
skincare ni, Alisha?
Hey, gosh, I still my cat
We have to
ears.
find a towel somewhere. Try to see if we can find a towel.
Towel.
Oh no, my ear! Oh my god, my cat ears!
A towel is
Aunt-
it?
Hey, that's my.
Auntie,
Yes.
Auntie, look at we are actually a cat.
We have
Yeah,
cats.
you
What
see
about
we
your
can-
tail?
I wanna.
What
Okay,
about your tail?
the towel's here.
What about you?
Here, okay. You gotta
Alicia.
find this way. You gotta drag
Alicia.
around your character and then yeah, that's it. I'm here.
Where's the
What am I
towel?
doing, Leo? What are you doing?
Oh, ni towel.
Oh my gosh.
Take it, take it.
What do you do? Let me see. Hey, give me that. Give me that
Eh,
map.
mana ni tak boleh.
Give me that map.
Like this.
I need it.
Where is it?
That's the secret.
I feel like the game crashed.
Great game crash. Okay, I
What
don't know.
happened? I'm not sure.
I know, Aiden.
I feel like you broke the. I feel
Oh my
like
gosh, I have an idea.
How do you remove your? How did she remove her makeup, Alia? Auntie, Alia.
Macam mana? How do I remove this mask?
No, that's me. Oh my gosh,
Oh my god, that's you. That's not me. Where am I?
I feel like you should put back your character.
Okay, guys, I'm going somewhere. You guys be alone
Wait, where's
over
your?
there.
Okay,
You
guys, I'm not
be
sure.
alone over there.
I don't know how because it's supposed.
Yes, yes.
Oh my god, I feel like the game crashed. Okay, you better put back on your clothes first.
I'm just waiting for you all because I want to go.
Wait, did someone join? Oh my gosh, one man. Why my mask is still
Why
there?
is it looks like the game has glitched. And where are my ears? I feel like the game crashed. And why are you on my screen? While
Dah belum.
What is going on, guys? Where's mine? Oh my gosh.
okay, I have an idea. I'll do the
Guys,
thing
stop
for you.
doing this. I don't like it.
Okay.
Where is everybody?
Okay, I got your.
Oh my gosh, where's my hat?
Where's me? I'm Grace.
Are you wearing it?
Okay, wear a towel. Put your towel on your
Where's
hand.
my hat? Oh my
Okay,
gosh.
put your towel on
Where's
your
my cat ears?
And then.
Where's my cat ears? Now I need to go to
What? Oh, I feel like that's the head. How do I remove your makeup?
How do I just do this? Oh my god,
I
now
feel like it's better you go to the sink. I feel like it's better if you go to the sink and then wash.
Okay, then I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just wearing it. Wait, I'm so bored now.
Dia basuh rambut, dia tak basuh muka dia.
Oh my god. Now we don't know what to do. But you can wear your clothes first.
Thank you, Alicia. It's okay.
Okay, I'm
You don't know what happened there, but I feel like this video is cringe.
I'm very sad. I'm very sad because
I'm so sorry, guys. Anyway, guys, I feel like that's the end of this video.
Yeah, bye.
Yeah, because I don't feel like that we have not enough time left because my auntie's going to go back home.
Yeah.
So I hope you really guys enjoyed this video, right, Alia? And we'll see you again. Bye, guys.
Okay, I'm not visiting you anymore. Look it, that's not me. That's not me.
That's not you.
I'm right here.
Wait, where did you go?